Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Switch your recording app to the correct input device and set the sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz so clocks align. Once done, quit browsers, music apps, and any DAW that might seize audio channels. They can change the default device. Make sure exclusive mode is off in audio driver settings so apps share streams. This prevents drift because mismatched rates and exclusive locks cause the delay you hear. Now tighten the core workflow. Switch to a low-latency driver like a CO or WASAPI shared mode, or use Core Audio on Mac OS so buffering is predictable. You should monitor through headphones to catch lag, but turn off microphone monitoring that creates loop latency. Record a brief sync tone or clap at the start of each take. This gives you a reference to nudge audio or video later. Make sure your recorder's buffer size is balanced. Finish by aligning the recorded audio to the visual timeline. Zoom in, nudge the waveform until the sync tone or clap matches the frame, then render using the same sample rate and channel layout you recorded with. Once exported, verify on different players. If you still have a delay, resample the audio to match the video frame rate or apply the editor's sync offset in milliseconds. This often fixes persistent drift because it corrects consistent timing mismatch between streams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.